Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm Azita and again with you with making some Persian food. This time I want to make barberry rice and saffron chicken. The things we need is chicken, rice, oil, the spices like all the Iranian dishes, saffron, salt, turmeric and pepper, and this is the barberry, Zereshk, and then onion for the chicken, frying the chicken, and I use the carrot like this. I fry this. And let's start with the chicken. I should put some oil. And deep fry the onion. You can see the way I chop the onion here too. It's very easy. If you use the food processor, it is more easy, I know, but I usually make it by myself. If the amount is very much, it's okay. You can use the machines. But for the homemade, for 2 people, it's okay. You can chop it yourself. While I'm waiting for the onion, I show you how I slice the carrots. First, peel it and slice in 3 pieces. It depends on the cabbages. Then I slice like this. And if you cannot, also you can do it like this, okay? And then, very easy, slice it like this. Also, you can put 2 or 3 and slice together. I just want a little, the onions becomes a little softer, not too much fried. And now, I put the chicken in it. I cover it. And it's better to wash the rice also. I wash the rice, I will come back. I washed it and I add some salt, not too much, be careful, and put it on the fire and put the cover. This kind of rice named kate. Some people say polo or kate. Kate means it's like steamed rice. We have another kind of rice also that first they boil the water. After boiling, they put the rice in it and then drain it. It's very okay. Come to see the onion and see. I turn them for the other side. Right. And the fire is too much. A little lower. Fry all sides, but be careful about the onions. Here it is going to be burned. I add a glass of water. And also some saffron. And that's all. I cover it and let it boil for about 20 minutes. Now we have the rice here. It's not boiled yet. And now I turn the fire and then some oil. For the oil you can use olive oil, you can use ghee, you can use any kind of oil you like. You see the water is boiling here. Now it's time to add the oil again. Like 2 tablespoons. It's okay. And cover it and put and make the fire a little lower. Let's check the chicken. The smell is so nice. And the rice. You see, it is going to be ready very soon, maybe in 10 minutes. Now the carrot is ready. I take them out of the oil. I take all of them. Be careful, not any pieces left in the oil, because we want to use the oil again. Now I use the oil for the barberry or Zereshk. It is very sensitive. You should be very careful. It becomes ready very soon. You know, if it is so much on the fire, it burns. Then I add some sugar to it too, because I don't like just the sour. If you add the sugar, it becomes a little sweet and sour, and it's nice. add some water too. Put some hot water with the saffron. Wow. Half of it, half of the water and saffron I put here to make it a little softer. And now it's ready, I put it aside. Now I forgot to add the salt and pepper to the chicken. Now I add it too. The black pepper. The rice is also somehow is ready. Just we wait for the chicken and then we serve the food. Everything is ready. Now time to serve the food. First, put the rice here. I always put some rice here, add with the barberries. And add some saffron. I mix with the water. And I mix them. I put a layer of rice here. The chickens in the middle. Wow, sorry. Again. And then rice and the barberries here. If you try this, if you make it and liked it, please subscribe me. I should be so happy. And then put the cabbages on the top. Friends, time to taste it. It looks good. Do you like it? Then for serve, you just have some rice and chicken together. If you like the cabbages, the carrots, put it there. You can see the chicken is very tender. I like it. Very, very delicious. It's very easy. It's very easy and very delicious. It's all the things, fresh, organic. And if you are vegetarian also, I should add, if you are vegetarian, you can make this barberry rice without chicken. So this is all vegetarian. Thank you so much for following me. Bye.